I didn't piss on the cathedral, on the fucking lawn, bro. Alright, on the fucking lawn. There's nothing open. It's fucking 5:30 in the morning, bro. The lights are out, bro. The sun is out. We have not slept. Fuck it, dude. I pissed on the cathedral grass. Fuck it. It is what it is. Fuck you guys, bro. I'm going home. End it. End the video. End the video. 5:15 in the morning. We're walking home, and Szymon doesn't want to take a piss on the cathedral. What a fucking pussy. Cathedrals.
Let's take a train.
Train? That's a tram. Another fucking train.
No. That is crazy. I'm hazy.
Bro, I look like a typical fucking British person. Colin, look. I look like a typical fucking British person.
Typical British.
British.
He hitting on that shit.
In Prague,
Oh, husky.
we here.
Light out.
We're gonna be here tomorrow.
And we better fight like a
Edit.
bout.
We're gonna be here later.
So I
Hey.
got the clout.
I got big muscles. Who the fuckers? Love y'all. Pussies.
Pussy. Yeah. Switch next. Two. And then two. Crosses.
poor ears. Our ears are gone. My voice is lost. Can you hear the sound of the silence getting violent? There's a fly in the elevator. He is evil like Darth Vader. Hey, we on floor 3. Bitch, I'm free. I'm flying high like birds. Bitch, what the word, babe? He's got the swerve. Now the phone is on the door.